Hello, welcome. Today let us have the class on direct and inverse variations. What is direct variation? You are going to learn today. Already you have learned what is ratio, what is proportion. Just let us recall that. The comparison between any two or more quantities of the same kind is known as ratio. And when two ratios are equal, they are said to be in proportion. That means A, B, C, D are said to be in proportion if A is to B is equal to C is to D. And if A by B is equal to C by D, AD is equal to BC. That is, product of extremes is equal to product of means. These all things already you have learned in chapter ratio proportion. Based on that, today you are going to learn direct variation. What is direct variation? Two quantities said to be varied directly, if increase of one quantity increases the other, decrease of one quantity decreases the other. What is that? Let me explain you. Direct proportion or direct variation we say. Let me write direct variation. After that, when we compare, we will get proportion. Two. Increase of one quantity increases the other, and decrease of one quantity decreases the other. That is what is direct variation. Okay, what is this? Let me explain it. Number of pens, their cost in rupees. Okay. Suppose cost of one pen is 10 rupees. Cost of 2 pens will be 20 rupees. Cost of 3 pens will be 30 rupees. Cost of 4 pens will be 40 rupees. Cost of 5 pens will be 50 rupees. Yes or no? What do you observe? 1 10 rupees, 2 20 rupees, 3 30 rupees, 4 40 rupees, 5 50 rupees. That means number is increasing, cost is also increasing. So that is what is your direct variation. Okay? Here, if we take number of pens as X, its cost as Y. Okay? X by Y is known as constant of variation. Constant of variation. You see, everywhere you see, this is 1 by 10. 2 by 20, if you simplify 2 1 ja, 2 10 ja, 1 by 10 or not. 5 by 50 you see, 5 1 ja, 5 10 ja, 1 by 10 or not. In this case, the constant of variation is 1 by 10. 1 by 10. That constant of variation means two quantities X and Y vary directly if the ratio X by Y is constant. X by Y is constant, and also it is positive. And also it is positive. I hope this is clear to you. Now, let me give you what is direct proportion. Let me explain you. Any 1 by 10 equal to 2 by 20. The meaning is 1 by 10 is equal to 2 by 20 is equal to 3 by 30 is equal to 4 by 40, that is equal to 5 by 50. Because just now I explained you what is constant of variation, and everywhere the constant of variation is constant, that is positive. Let me take these two. 2 by 20 is equal to 3 by 30. That means 2, 20, 3, 30 are in proportion. Are in proportion. Already you have learned that A, B, C, D are said to be in proportion if A by B is equal to C by D. Already you have learned that. Same thing, we can write this also. 2, let me bring this 3 this side. 20 take that side, 20 by 30. Then we can write this 2, 3, 20, 30 are in proportion. Are in proportion. So 2 by 20 is equal to 3 by 30 is also same as 2 by 3 is equal to 20 by 30. So when 2 by 20 is equal to 3 by 30, 2, 20, 30, 3, 30 are in proportion, we say. If 2 by 3 is equal to 20 by 30, we can say 2, 3, 20, 30 are in proportion. And you say check if they are in proportion. You know that product of extremes is equal to product of means. Whether you get it or not, you can check. Product of extremes is equal to product of means. In the first case, 2, 20, 3, 30, 2 and 30 are the extremes, and 20 and 3 are the means. 2 into 30 is equal to 60, and here 20 into 3 is equal to 60 or not. So this is product of extremes I did, product of extremes, and this is product of means. You know that product of extremes is equal to product of means. Yes or no? So in any case, in the second situation also, you can do extremes product and means product. They will be the same. Let us check that too. Here also 2 into 30 is 60, 3 into 20 is 60. Same or not? 30 into 2, 3 into 20, just these two reversed. So these are known as, so any two ratios if you take, they are in proportion. They are in any two. You can take 1 by 10, 5 by 50, or 2 by 20, 4 by 40, 2 by 20, 5 by 50, 2, 25, 50 are in proportion, or 3, 30, 5, 50 are in proportion. Any two ratios, because you know that equality of two ratios is known as proportion. Equality of two ratios is known as proportion. That's why any two ratios if you take also, they will be equal and they are in proportion. Out of four quantities, if you know any three, you can find the other one. Let me give you one example. The cost of 5 kg rice is 150 rupees. Find the cost of 13 kg rice. This is the problem. Either statement wise you can do or table wise also you can do. Okay? Cost of 5 kg rice, 150 rupees. Let me write rice cost. Rice weight of rice. Weight of rice, cost in rupees. Weight of rice in kg. Cost in rupees. 5 kg rice, 150 rupees. 13 kg rice, how much we don't know. How much we don't know. Already you have learned that 5 by 150 is x by y. If they take x by y is constant of variation. Okay? That way you can do. This way also you can take 13 kg of rice as this one which you don't know, you can take as x rupees. This is direct variation. Increase of weight increases its cost. This is direct variation. By using constant of variation, that way you can do. Other simpler way I am explaining you now. You see, in direct variation, first by second equal to first by second. That means 5 by 13 is equal to 150 by x. Other way, if you want to use the constant of variation, here the constant of variation is 5 by 150. 5 by 150. That way you can do, but this follow this, you will get easily. So that implies take x this side, or you can get 5 into x equal to 150 into 13, or x is equal to 150 into 13 by 5. 150 into 13 by 5. 5 1s are 5 30s are. That means x is equal to 13 zeros are 13 3s are 39. 390 rupees. So the cost of what is x? Cost of 13 kg rice. We took as 13 kg rice, we have taken as x. Cost of 13 kg rice is 390 rupees. This is the easy way to do. Otherwise, by using constant of variation, if you want to find, if weight is given to you, cost you have to find, you have to find y by x into this. 150 by 5 into 13 gives you. If this one is given to you, then 5 by 150 into what is given to you, you can do. But children, in particularly this chapter, this is a very easy way. Don't keep all the way, all the procedures, you can understand, no problem. This is very easy to find. Okay? Easy to get the answers and all. If cost is given to you, weight of rice you want to find, you can take this as x, 5 by x equal to this. Direct variation means first by second equal to first by second. That way you have to do. Okay? Other way also, 5 by 150 equal to 13 by x also you can do. 5 by 150 equal to 13 by x. That is of course, that is what constant of variation you have learned. Quantity x, quantity y. X by y equal to x by y. That way also you can do. I hope this is clear to you. Next class you are going to learn about inverse variation. Thank you.